tell everybody your name? Say it again. This is Jackson. And Jackson here is going to help me with our very first bird. So if we'll bring out he's going to have a race. We're going to bring out his competitor. Come on out here. Jackson wants to have a race. Come on.
What's that? Is that a chicken?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Hey. This is Pie. Her name is Pot Pie. You like Pot Pie? She's pretty cute. You want to give her a pet? She's very soft. All right. So this race should be hopefully pretty quick. Jackson, you see that star down there? I want you to run down there when I say those magic words, okay? So, who's going to cheer for my wonderful volunteer, Jackson? And who's going to cheer for my chicken pot pie? You hear that? It's going to be a good race, right? Get ready. Ready? Get set. Go! Go, Jackson! I think you want hands down. Oh, whoa. I guess you want to give him a head start. All right, Jackson, come on back over here. You did a great job.